C++ is a strongly typed language. This means that every value has a specific type. The meaning of a value is determined by its type. A data type determines both the size and the interpretation of a value. For example, the int type means a natural machine size, signed integer value. And unsigned int means the same size integer with no bit reserved for sign. Fundamental types for C++ include integer types for representing integer numerical values, floating point types for representing real numerical values, and a Boolean type for representing true and false values. C++ also provides literal values for true and false. An array is a contiguous sequential set of objects of the same type. Arrays are very powerful, flexible, and have very low overhead. They're also the basis of C strings and the C++ STL container classes. Although C++ has no fundamental string type, a null-terminated array of characters is a special case called a C string and is treated as a string in many contexts. A structure is a sequential set of objects of various types. A structure may contain scalars, arrays, and even other structures and classes. C++ classes are based on structures. Technically, a class is a structure that defaults to private membership. In practice, a class is a structure that contains function members as well as data members. A union is a set of overlapping object types. This allows a single compound object to hold objects of different types at different times overlapping the same space. A pointer is a reference to an object of a given type. A pointer itself typically holds the address of the object it points to. Pointers are strongly typed in C++. The type of a pointer is used as the type when it's dereferenced and is also used to determine the size of increments, decrements, and arithmetic operations on the pointer. A reference is like a pointer but with different semantics. The major distinctions between pointers and references are that references are immutable, and once defined they cannot be changed to refer to a different object. References are accessed as aliases without any syntactic indication that it's a reference and not directly a variable. This allows for silent side effects. C++ provides a number of fundamental data types that may be used or extended for many purposes. The rest of this chapter will cover these types in greater detail.